We've just spent 3 amazing weeks travelling the Philippines and visiting some of the most beautiful islands. When travelling and packing many adventures into our days, we want to come back to a comfortable and quiet place to relax and get on with work. And the Philippines has a lot of accommodation to suit every budget. Whether you're on a backpacker's budget or looking to splash out on something unique and luxurious, there's something here for you. And we've made this video to give you an idea of how far your money will go whilst travelling here in the Philippines. So first of all, the budget option.
So we've arrived in Puerto Princesa. This is our Airbnb that we're staying in, and I want to show you around because this place is really nice. It's the biggest place we've stayed in so far, and also the cheapest, strangely enough. So I want to show you around this Airbnb. So we have like a living area. It has a sofa, and it has a TV, and he's given us his Netflix account and password so we can use that. It has a fan. So we've got a workspace that we can use here if we want to do some work on the laptop. Got some bar stools that we can sit on. And what's quite cool is that here he actually has British sockets. So we can just plug straight in. We don't need any kind of adapter. Look at that. This is the first time I've seen British sockets in the Philippines. And welcome to our kitchen. We can cook our own food. We've got a fridge freezer. And over here we have a hob, kettle, a rice cooker, got the sink. Under the sink we've got a pot and a pan, water dispenser, which we've had in all the Airbnbs, usually out in the corridor. There's a shared one, but we actually have our own water dispenser here. And we've got all our cups and dishes and cutlery and a knife, some cooking utensils. So that's great. And through here is the small shower room. Shower, toilet. Oddly, no sink, which is a bit strange, but I suppose you can just wash your hands there, right? I guess that's the idea. And then we have our own separate bedroom, which we haven't had yet in the Philippines. Yeah, it's a big enough room, quite a big space. Just what we need. It's got a bed, it's got a little bedside storage unit. We've got a nice view to our outside space. So we just arrived in our accommodation in Panglao Island. It's very close to Alona Beach, and this place is amazing. This is like the biggest and the nicest place we've stayed so far in the Philippines, and it only costs £25 a night. Look at the size of this place. We've got a king size bed, so Phil won't be up against the wall, which he has been for most of the other accommodation.
Finally.
We've got a bedside cabinet each with a lamp. We've not had anywhere with a lamp on the bedside in the Philippines yet. We've got a fridge, we've got water, there's a menu here, so I guess we can order food. We've got a little table as well with chairs, we can sit and do some work. We've got a big TV with Netflix, but this is the really exciting part. We've got a huge balcony. With a hot tub. We have a hot tub. And chairs. And again, look at the size, it's huge. Really big.
And a nice view over the trees.
And lastly, the bathroom, which is the biggest bathroom we've had yet in the Philippines. It's really modern, massive sink, bathroom cabinets. It has a hairdryer. We've not had a hairdryer yet in the Philippines. I've had to like let my hair just like air dry all the time. And look at the shower as well. Really big shower, like proper shower, not just a hose over the toilet, which we've had most of the time. So, I mean, the other places we've stayed have been great, and we've been really happy with them. And I mean, the houseboat was amazing, you know, to stay in that location. I can't believe we're actually here. This is Coron Island. You've probably seen it on YouTube videos like we have. The island itself is a nature reserve. It's owned by 2 tribes. You can't stay on the island itself, but this is Paolyn Houseboats. It was started by an Italian man called Paolo and his partner Lynn. So Paolo was from Italy, and he sailed his boat over here, and he fell in love with this place and decided to stay here. But not only that, he wanted to share it with other people. So he now has 16 houseboat apartments that you can rent out, and all the staff that he employs here are natives from the tribes. There's over 200 staff working here for 16 apartments. He calls it a project rather than a business because his aim is to help the local people and to share this beautiful place with others. So it's really a privilege to be able to be here and to be able to share it as well with everyone. So let's have a little tour of the houseboat. They provide you with snorkeling gear, so flippers and snorkeling masks, life vests if you want to go outside of the lagoon. We have paddles because we have a kayak that we can use. Sunbathing area. It has a freshwater shower for when you've been in the sea and then you want to come out and get washed. Got some storage over here for your wet clothes or towels. So this is our room. So this is the smallest room available of the houseboats. This one was about £200 for one night, which compared to other places in the Philippines is quite expensive, but what you're paying for is this location. It's amazing to be here. And this room is plenty big enough for the two of us. You can also rent bigger apartments if you're a family or a group of friends, but yeah, probably it doesn't do it justice in the camera, but this is actually very spacious. I mean, we've got plenty of storage here for our luggage. There's also a safe, and I mean, look at this view that we're gonna get in the morning. And of course, towel swans, which are always fun. We have a full-length mirror, storage hooks. I love hooks, I always mention hooks in my video tours. And there's a fan which is circulating some nice fresh air, but also if you want, you can use air conditioning for an extra cost. Everything here is run off solar power. It's all completely eco-friendly, so you'd be very aware of how much energy you're using. But I don't think we're going to need to use the air conditioning. It's so nice and breezy here, and it would just be noisy to use the air conditioning, I think. Yeah, so also you get a phone which you can call them, you can contact them to order food and drinks. They will bring it here to you. Also, if there's any emergencies, you need anything, you can phone them on this phone. Okay, let's show you how the bathroom works. So this is a marine toilet, and how it works is you pull this lever over to the left and it fills up with water. Once you've got enough water, you switch that off and then you do your business, whatever it is. You put your paper in the bin. You don't put your paper down the toilet, you do not do that. And then when you're done, you just pull this pump. Ugh, a little bit of an arm workout. And voila, that's how the toilet works. Okay, so also we've got a shower. You could have a very scenic shower if you so wish. So you can order food to come to your room and they will bring it in on the boat, and you have your own private cabin to sit and eat your food. So we've ordered for lunch, I got chicken adobo, Phil went for grilled fish, and they both come with rice and veg. And of course I got a pina colada, because I'm on holiday. And Phil got his favourite cocktail.
Long Island iced.
And also we have this water cooler, so we have unlimited fresh water to drink. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our lunch.
If you want to see more of our adventures in the Philippines, including what to see and do in Manila, Palawan, Bohol, and Cebu, hit subscribe and the notifications bell and stay posted for our upcoming videos. See you soon!